Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a very serious concern of a lady officer of the court. Your Lordship has been assaulted, Your Lordship.
Find out what
A lady lawyer. Your Lordship, this is I have made one-page note, Your Lordship, of how the sequence has been have occurred, Your Lordship. She has been stabbed, brutally stabbed, at the offices of husband, and she has been locked out. And then after somehow she could able to manage and give a phone call to PCR and her brother. And after that, she has been gone to 3 hospitals where they have been refused to entertain her, saying that it is a critical, so we cannot, Your Lordship, Court Master ji, aap ek
Those which I prepared in the on the basis of which is to be taken.
Court Master ji, please. Your Lordship, this is a fact, Your Lordship. In my letter, Your Lordship, I have given only the gist. And now I'm able to get the facts, detailed facts, Your Lordship.
Let us
Yes.
examine. We understand that part. That's the reason that yesterday, the moment I received your complaint, immediately I closed this
So
home.
bless Your Lordship of
Now, what is
making
the
it.
status, madam?
Malad, I have found out, Malad, the accused was arrested in the intervening night of 25th, 26th.
Has the
Yesterday,
accused been arrested?
yes, Malad, he has been arrested.
Accused is husband of this.
Husband of
Victim.
the victim, Malad, and he has been arrested. Malad, he has been remanded, Malad, and the IO is here with the file. I called for the file, Malad, if your lordships do wish to say. In AIMS, she was treated, Malad. Now she is in a private hospital.
What are the offenses that they did in the FIR?
Malad, the FIR is registered under, Malad.
Attempt to murder.
FIR is under 1091 Malats of BNSS. It was Malats, the Ruka was registered. This happened at 9:30 in the night. 9:46, the telephone call was made, Malats, and on that basis, the GD entry was made. The FIR is thereafter registered. At that time, Malats, AIMS, when she was in AIMS, she was not fit to give the statement, but now she is stable and she has been discharged from AIMS and now she is in a private hospital, Malats.
Please find out.
Yes, Malats.
And we will pass an order. Why the hospital denied emergency medical treatment?
Malats, that we will have to find out, Malats.
At your cell number 4,
Yes, Your Lordship.
there is contradiction. The
Yes.
husband was arrested on so and so. In-laws are absconding.
Yes, Your Lordship. In-laws are absconding with the.
Madam, read the next line, please.
Yes.
Taking 2 minor girl children. You are saying aged 4 years and 1 year.
Yes.
Then you are saying eldest girl child.
Yes, there are 3 children, Your
There are
Lordship.
3.
There are 3, Your Lordship. And 2, they have taken away. There is no information. And 1, she has been abandoned outside the house of the residence in Gully, Your Lordship. And then the police came and rescued her, Your Lordship. And now, Your Lordship.
Where is the girl child now?
Now the girl child is at the custody of the mother, the eldest one.
Where are the parents of the
Your Lordship, they are absconding, Your Lordship, and the,
parents of the victim, please?
they are parents of the victim is with her, Your Lordship. With the victim, Your Lordship.
Is the child with them?
Yes, 1 child is with them, and 2 of the child, the minor child, Your Lordship, they are with the grandchildren of the husband who are absconding, Your Lordship.
It's all right. Grandmother is not something an alien or if the
I
child is
do
1 year old and 4 year old, let them also understand what is their responsibility.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But one of the eldest girl child,
Yes,
who is in a very sensitive and impressionable age,
yes.
she is now under the care and custody of her maternal grandparents.
Maternal parents. Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Correct, Your Lordship. Only my innovations, Your Lordship, is that at night, Your Lordship, they have abandoned outside the child,
Right.
Your Lordship. This is, so mother is very much anxious in the hospital that offer safe custody of 2 girl minors, Your Lordship. That's all she wanted, the safe custody.
She herself is not in a position to look after because she now, as a brave woman, she should recover for herself. After suffering these multiple injuries,
Yes.
and that to such grievous injuries,
Yes, Your Lordship.
she must now concentrate first of all her own recovery.
I completely agree, Your Lordship.
Right on.
And Your Lordship, if I may point out, Your Lordship, what I have been told by the victim is that the FIR on
Letter
the.
dated 25th April 2026, addressed by Ms. Sneh Kalita, learned advocate on record from a Supreme Court of India, was received in the office of the Chief Justice of India yesterday After the letter sought urgent intervention in the case of brutal assault of a woman advocate named XXX and grant of compensation to her under NALSA victim compensation scheme. Rather don't say. In the letter, the learned AOR has sought the following reliefs. Take it from the prayer part 1 to 5. Next paragraph. Along with the letter, some photographs were also attached depicting a brutal assault with a sword with a sharp-edged weapon from the victim advocate, who apparently has suffered multiple injuries on all vital organs of her body. Seeing the condition of the victim in the photographs, coupled with the fact that she was stated to be under treatment at AIMS Trauma Center, we decided to take suo motu action in the matter. So hence this petition. Next paragraph. With an advance notice, Ms. Aspria Bhatulani, Additional Solicitor of India, is present on behalf of the NCT of Delhi, NCT Government of Delhi. The investigating officer is also present. Next paragraph. We are informed that FIR number, do we have any number?
Yes, madam. FIR number 176.
FIR number so and so has been registered, and the husband of the victim, who is alleged to be the prime accused, has been arrested in the intervening night of 25th and 26th April 2026.
Lordships.
In the complaint, there are allegations against in-laws of the victim, but they are stated to be absconding. Next paragraph. It may be noticed that the victim has three daughters born from wedlock, from age 12 years, 4 years, and 1 year.
Deeply.
Learned AOR, whom we have requested to assist as amicus curiae, informs that after the brutal attack on the victim, the in-laws of her in-laws took away two minor girl children, aged 4 years and 1 year, along with them, and their whereabouts are unknown. The eldest girl child, 12 years old, was abandoned at night outside the house by the accused husband, and she was later on recovered by the police. She is fortunately now under the care and custody of her maternal parents.
Grandparents.
Grandparents.
Grandparents, madam.
Maternal?
Joint family means her brother, etc. will also.
Yes,
Parents and the other family,
yes.
and her mother's family. Next paragraph. Conscious of the rights that a suspect stroke accused also possess with reference to the fair investigation, fair and dispassionate investigation, and also to ensure that no one should go scot-free, we as of now deem it appropriate to issue the following directions. And also keeping in view the other mitigating circumstances, we deem it appropriate to issue the following interim directions. 1A, the investigation, the Commissioner of Police Delhi is directed to hand over the investigation to a fairly senior officer, and preferably a woman officer in the rank of Assistant Stroke Deputy Commissioner of Police. 2I, the police authorities will find out the whereabouts of the two minor girl children, and with the assistance of the child counselor, will ascertain their the police authorities will find out the whereabouts of the minor children who are stated to have been taken away by the parents of the victim, if they are being looked after well by their grandmother, the current arrangement can continue till appropriate directions are issued on the next date of hearing.
Financial assistance, Your Lordship.
However, the custody of the eldest daughter shall continue with the maternal parents and their family members, as their family members, where the said daughter is presently staying. That's paragraph. We are perturbed to find out that the victim was, we are perturbed by the allegation that the victim was initially taken 1I Jog Province Hospital, then 2I ZTG Hospital, 3 Kailash Deepak Hospital, and 4 RK Hospital, was refused admission by the last 3 hospitals, whereas the first hospital only provided first aid and referred the case to some other hospital. She was finally admitted at AIMS Trauma Center around 6 a.m. We direct the investigating officer to look into this aspect of the matter
Yes.
and submit a report, status report on the next date of it. Next paragraph. Keeping on the attending circumstances and the fact that the victim is seemingly in dire need of some financial assistance, especially to undergo treatment and to look after her minor daughters, we direct the Delhi State Legal Service Authority and also we direct the National Authority through its member secretary to release an interim victim compensation, interim sum of rupees in favor of the victim. The amount shall be immediately transferred to her bank account by tomorrow. The next paragraph, the investigator shall submit a further report, status report with respect to the ongoing investigations. Post the matter on so page.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship. I'm really grateful, Your Lordship, of taking up this cause, Your Lordship.
Please look after life is safe.
Yes, Your Lordship. Any date, Your Lordship, will be given by the courtmaster. Your Lordship, there's only one apprehension that the 1 year baby, Your Lordship, she is a feeding baby, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, only I'm.
Baby should be always with the mother, but here the mother is not in a condition. That's why we are saying that if she is being looked after well, then allow few days.
Yes.
By that time, she will recover and the child will come to her.
Yes, Your Lordship.